of Allah Almighty, the most merciful and the most beneficent. My name is Zian Mazam and these are my group members. Muhammad Imran Hussain, Umar Shahzad, Ali Abbas and Hassan Nisar. So the topic of our presentation is nuclear energy and weapons. So first of all I will discuss about the nuclear energy. So what is nuclear energy? The energy that is present in the nucleus of an atom is known as nuclear energy. So atoms are the small units that make up all the matters in the universe, and this is the energy that binds the atoms together, that binds the nucleus together. So in an atom having dense nucleus, there is an immense quantity of immense quantity of energy. So the two fundamental processes considered for energy production. The first one is nuclear fission and the second one is nuclear fusion. Fission reaction is the reaction in which the larger atoms like plutonium and uranium split up into smaller atoms. So to split an atom we have to hit it with the neutrons. So the second one is the fusion reaction. So fusion reaction is the combination of two larger atoms, combination of two smaller atoms such as helium and hydrogen, and form a larger atoms having a high energy. So the fusion reactions having release more energy than the fission reactions. Fusion reactions occurs in the sun, generally using hydrogen as a fuel and helium as a waste. So the next one is the nuclear weapons. So nuclear weapon is a destructive device. Is a destructive device that uses the nuclear reactions to create an explosion. This explosion can explode the whole city within minutes. So these explosions are more powerful than the conventional explosive like TNT, trinitrotoluene. So I would like to invite Ali Abbas for the further explanation.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I explain the use of nuclear energy. Electricity, nuclear weapon, agriculture, space exploration, food treatment and nuclear medicine. The first one is electricity. The use of nuclear energy to produce electricity is very essential. Today electricity is our basic requirement which is produced by the nuclear energy. Electricity is one of the most used of the world daily usage. The advantage to produce electricity from nuclear energy is one of the most low carbon sources, reliable and cost effective. The second one is nuclear weapons. Nuclear energy is used to manufacture nuclear weapons, which is also one of the basic requirements. Every country tries to manufacturing a large number of nuclear weapons. If a country having large number and good number of nuclear weapons, he considered as a secure country, and other countries must be wanted to trade with them and tourists come to visit this country. The next one is agriculture. Nuclear techniques can improve the food safety and detecting and eliminating the harmful bacteria. And nuclear techniques can improve the quality of the food, and nowadays we can easily preserve the food over a long period of time. Due to basic requirement of the world, the population is growing very fastly and the food required is large. So nuclear energy can play a big role to important for the betterment quality of agriculture and food. Now I invite Mr. Hassan Nisar for next.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The next is space exploration. First I will define you what is space exploration. Space exploration is the use of astronomy and space technology for the explore of outer space. Now we will discuss the uses of nuclear energy in the field of space exploration. Nuclear energy can be generated in the nuclear energy can be used in the generators. Nuclear energy can be used in the generators nuclear energy can be used in the generators to explore the deep space. Cassini-Huygens probe Then the other example is food treatment. Nuclear energy technology is also used in the prevention of food and agriculture. For example, nuclear energy is used. Nuclear energy is used in the agriculture to reduce the use of pesticides and nuclear medicine. The use of nuclear energy in medicine. Some of the byproducts that are created in the fission reaction in the nucleus are very useful in the medicine for the treatment. For example, cobalt 60 is used for the sterilizing of instruments, and it is very preferred for the better treatment. Thank you very much. How much is that?
Assalamu alaikum. So I'm here to discuss some disadvantages of the nuclear energy. So the first disadvantage I am going to discuss is environmental impact. Although nuclear energy does not radiate any type of carbon emission, but it is made up of some chemicals such as radon and arsenic. These two are the ones which are emitted during the mining of nuclear energy, because mining is the main step for the nuclear power plant. If we mine the uranium from the cores, then it is the source from which we will produce the different types of electricity and other things. So during the mining process, there are many types of other chemicals which are released, such as gases are released, which are arsenic and radon. Arsenic and radon are two gases which are very much harmful for our lungs because they cause lung cancer. Moving on to the next is the water intensive. The process of generating electricity and other things from nuclear power plant is very expensive, because it also contains a massive usage of water. In 2015, America used almost 320 billion gallons of water, which is a very large amount. So water usage in some times, such as when there is a climate change and there is a shortage of water, and there is not enough water for the people. Umar Shizad.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself is Muhammad Imran. As all the discussion has done by my group members about what is nuclear energy, what are the uses of nuclear energy, what are nuclear weapons, what are the types of nuclear energy, and what are the disadvantages of nuclear energy. Now moving toward my presentation topic. There are some countries in the world having nuclear weapons. 9 countries in the world have nuclear weapons. The United States, the United Kingdom, China, Russia, France, Pakistan, India, Israel and North Korea. In total, the global nuclear stockpile is close to 13,000 nuclear weapons. But this number is less than as used in Cold War, when there were used 16,000 nuclear weapons. Here is the calculated data of different countries having different nuclear weapons. Russia has the most nuclear weapons, and that's are 6257, United States has 6500. China has 650. France has 290. United Kingdom has 225. Pakistan has 165. India has 160. And Israel has 90. And North Korea has 545. 8 sovereign states in the world has publicly announced its nuclear program on the terms of NPT, Non-Proliferation Treaty.